Present tense versus past tense. Ready to improve your English? This lesson covers the key differences between present and past tense, essential for clear communication. Learn to express actions happening now versus those in the past with practical tips, helpful examples, and 50+ sentences to master tenses like a pro. Register now with ACA to learn 100% online with certified and licensed English educators based in America. Don't miss this opportunity to level up your English skills from the comfort of your home. Let's get started. Phrase 1. Present tense, I eat breakfast every morning. Past tense, I ate breakfast this morning. Phrase 2. Present tense, she plays the piano beautifully. Past tense, she played the piano beautifully yesterday. Phrase 3. Present tense, they go to the gym every day. Past tense, they went to the gym last week. Phrase 4. Present tense, I study English every day. Past tense, I studied English yesterday. Phrase 5. Present tense, he works at a tech company. Past tense, he worked at a tech company last year. Phrase 6. Present tense, we live in New York. Past tense, we lived in New York for 5 years. Phrase 7. Present tense, they always arrive on time. Past tense, they arrived late yesterday. Phrase 8. Present tense, she reads a lot of books. Past tense, she read a great book last week. Phrase 9. Present tense, I like to watch movies on weekends. Past tense, I watched a movie last weekend. Phrase 10. Present tense, he enjoys cooking Italian food. Past tense, he cooked Italian food for dinner yesterday. Phrase 11. Present tense, I take a walk every evening. Past tense, I took a walk yesterday evening. Phrase 12. Present tense, they travel abroad every summer. Past tense, they traveled to Spain last summer. Phrase 13. Present tense, she runs every morning. Past tense, she ran 5 miles yesterday. Phrase 14. Present tense, we meet our friends every weekend. Past tense, we met our friends last Saturday. Phrase 15. Present tense, I go to the park on Sundays. Past tense, I went to the park last Sunday. Phrase 16. Present tense, he drinks coffee every morning. Past tense, he drank coffee this morning. Phrase 17. Present tense, I always read before bed. Past tense, I read before bed last night. Phrase 18. Present tense, they play soccer every weekend. Past tense, they played soccer last Saturday. Phrase 19. Present tense, she teaches English. Past tense, she taught English last year. Phrase 20. Present tense, I enjoy painting. Past tense, I painted yesterday. Phrase 21. Present tense, we watch TV every evening. Past tense, we watched TV yesterday evening. Phrase 22. Present tense, he exercises at the gym. Past tense, he exercised at the gym last week. Phrase 23. Present tense, I always sleep for 8 hours. Past tense, I slept for 8 hours last night. Phrase 24. Present tense, she speaks 3 languages. Past tense, she spoke 2 languages last year. Phrase 25. Present tense, we have a meeting at 10 a.m. Past tense, we had a meeting at 10 a.m. yesterday. Phrase 26. Present tense, I finish work at 5 p.m. Past tense, I finished work at 5 p.m. yesterday. Phrase 27. Present tense, he likes to swim in the ocean. Past tense, he swam in the ocean last summer. Phrase 28. Present tense, I feel happy today. Past tense, I felt happy yesterday. Phrase 29. Present tense, they play chess every evening. Past tense, they played chess last night. Phrase 30. Present tense, she helps me with my homework. Past tense, she helped me with my homework yesterday. Phrase 31. Present tense, I watch the news every morning. Past tense, I watched the news this morning. Phrase 32. Present tense, he enjoys reading mystery novels. Past tense, he read a mystery novel last weekend. Phrase 33. Present tense, we plan to visit the zoo this weekend. Past tense, we visited the zoo last weekend. Phrase 34. Present tense, they buy groceries every Saturday. Past tense, they bought groceries last Saturday. Phrase 35. Present tense, I drink water every day. Past tense, I drank water yesterday. Phrase 36. Present tense, she works as a teacher. Past tense, she worked as a teacher last year. Phrase 37. Present tense, I study for exams every week. Past tense, I studied for exams last week. Phrase 38. Present tense, we cooked dinner together. Past tense, we cooked dinner together yesterday. Phrase 39. Present tense, he enjoys watching sports on TV. Past tense, he watched a sports game last night. Phrase 40. Present tense, I feel tired after work. Past tense, I felt tired after work yesterday. Phrase 41. Present tense, she enjoys spending time with her friends. Past tense, she spent time with her friends last weekend. Phrase 42. Present tense, I walk to work every day. Past tense, I walked to work yesterday. Phrase 43. Present tense, they attend the meeting every Friday. Past tense, they attended the meeting last Friday. Phrase 44. Present tense, he likes to jog in the park. Past tense, he jogged in the park yesterday. Phrase 45. Present tense, we celebrate birthdays together. Past tense, we celebrated his birthday last month. Phrase 46. Present tense, I go shopping every weekend. Past tense, I went shopping last weekend. Phrase 47. Present tense, they always arrive early. Past tense, they arrived late yesterday. Phrase 48. Present tense, she works hard every day. Past tense, she worked hard yesterday. Phrase 49. Present tense, I read books before going to sleep. Past tense, I read books last night before bed. Phrase 50. Present tense, he visits his parents every Sunday. Past tense, he visited his parents last Sunday. Now, let's go through 10 tips to improve your use of present and amp, past tense. Know the rules of regular and irregular verbs. Example, I play, present, versus I played, past. Remember, irregular verbs don't follow the regular ed pattern. Use present tense for ongoing habits. Example, she runs every morning. This describes a regular habit or routine. Use past tense for actions completed in the past. Example, I finished my homework yesterday. For ongoing actions in the present, use continuous tense. Example, I am working right now. Use the simple past for specific times in the past. Example, I visited London last year. Practice makes perfect. Example, try using both present and past tenses when telling a story or describing your day. Use present tense to talk about general facts or truths. Example, the Earth orbits the Sun. Past tense is great for telling stories. Example, once upon a time I went to the beach. Don't forget to use time expressions. Example, I work every day, present, I worked yesterday, past. Watch out for the negative forms. Example, I don't like coffee, present, versus I didn't like coffee yesterday, past. You've now got a better understanding of present versus past tense. These tenses are fundamental to everyday conversation, storytelling, and expressing yourself clearly in English. With continuous practice, you'll start to feel more confident using them in your daily interactions. So keep practicing, stay motivated, and don't forget to come back for more helpful tips. Register now to speak like a native and elevate your conversations to the next level. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be able to switch between present and past sentences without even thinking about it. Keep learning, and don't forget to use these phrases in your everyday conversations. You've got this. Stay tuned for more content, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.